Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to thread the bobbin. Now here's our bobbin. Here's the one that comes with it. I don't know if y'all can see that letter B on there. It's at the top. You see it? Clearly right there. Okay. You want that facing up. I'm just gonna put it right there. I'm gonna leave it alone. Alright. Boom. Easy. Step one. We're gonna put our thread through silver par. Bam. Okay. Next, we're going to go under number 2. Boom. It literally tells you steps right here. Number 3, we're going to wrap around this silver thing right here and go around this round thing right here. Easy. Now, according to number 4, it looks like we're going to spin it this way. There's like a little notch here that you can see. I'm going to do that because that's what the picture looks like it's saying. Maybe just going to press the... Easy. Once that's done, I'm gonna pop that bad boy back over. Boom. You can undo it. And you can go ahead and just slice it on a little knife. Oh, I'm covering the camera. There's a little knife thing right there. You can slice it off on the side. Okay, boom. We in there. Alright. Next step. Pop that open. Slide it out. I don't know if y'all can see it. The B on top. All right, boom. You want that facing up. Just gonna slide it right on in there. You're gonna take your thread, wrap it around this white part, go around this part, and slice it. Boom. Now, if you don't know, I made a tutorial on how to thread the top part. I'm gonna just do it real quick. If you want a detailed tutorial, it's on my page. Go find it. All right. I'm gonna continue on with step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. I can't see, I'm trying to be in the camera. Step 7. All right. Step 8. And now it's threaded. I'm gonna take that through